The Porsche 918 Spyder is a groundbreaking hybrid supercar that showcases Porsche's engineering prowess and commitment to performance and sustainability. Launched in 2015, the 918 Spyder combines cutting-edge technology with high-performance capabilities, making it one of the most sought-after hypercars in automotive history. The 918 Spyder features a sleek and aerodynamic design, characterized by sharp lines, a low profile, and distinctive LED headlights. Its mid-engine layout is accentuated by a prominent rear wing that enhances downforce. Inside, the 918 Spyder boasts a luxurious cabin with a driver-focused layout. High-quality materials, such as leather and carbon fiber, adorn the interior, while advanced technology features a digital display, a premium sound system, and customizable ambient lighting. Performance: the 918 Spyder is powered by a 4.6-liter V8 engine paired with two electric motors, producing a combined output of 887 horsepower and 940 pounds-feet of torque. This hybrid setup allows for exceptional performance while maintaining fuel efficiency. The 918 Spyder can sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.5 seconds, showcasing its supercar capabilities. Its top speed is approximately 214 miles per hour, placing it among the fastest production cars. Driving modes: the vehicle features several driving modes, including E-Performance, which allows for electric-only driving, and Sport Hybrid, which combines the power of the gasoline engine and electric motors for maximum performance. Technology and features: hybrid technology. The 918 Spyder employs advanced hybrid technology, including regenerative braking and a lithium-ion battery pack that provides an electric-only range of around 12-20 miles, depending on driving conditions. Infotainment: the car is equipped with an intuitive infotainment system, featuring navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, and a premium audio system, enhancing the driving experience. Chassis and suspension: the chassis is made from a lightweight carbon fiber reinforced polymer, contributing to its overall performance and handling. The adaptive suspension system allows for customizable ride height and stiffness. Production and rarity: limited production. Porsche produced only 918 units of the 918 Spyder, making it rare collector's item. The car's exclusivity, combined with its innovative technology and performance, has made it highly sought after in the luxury automotive market. The starting price for the 918 Spyder was around $845,000, with fully loaded models reaching over $1 million. The high price reflects the car's engineering excellence, performance capabilities, and limited availability. Awards and recognition: the Porsche 918 Spyder has received numerous accolades for its design, performance, and innovation. It was praised by automotive critics and enthusiasts alike, often being compared to other hypercars like the McLaren P1 and Ferrari LaFerrari. The Porsche 918 Spyder represents a significant milestone in the evolution of hybrid performance vehicles. With its stunning design, exhilarating performance, and advanced technology, it stands as a testament to Porsche's commitment to pushing the boundaries of automotive engineering. The 918 Spyder not only delivers an extraordinary driving experience but also paves the way for the future of hybrid supercars. If you enjoyed this overview of the Porsche 918 Spyder, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more automotive content. Share your thoughts in the comments below about what you think of the 918 Spyder and whether you'd choose it over its competitors.